Good morning students. Today we are going to see workshop of the lesson Have you thought of the verb have? Question number 1. Add your own sentences to those given in the passage to illustrate the uses of have. First use of have is given here to show possession. Some sentences are given. 1. I have a shower in my bathroom. 2. Pratik has an earth brown color car parked in his society. Sentence 3. Tarini has a dog with a brown coat. Sentence 4. I have 2 mobile phones. And sentence 5. The baby has blue eyes. Second use of have is to indicate relationship. Some examples are given here. 1. Alice has got 7 sisters. Second, she has 4 children. Third, I do not have an aunt. Sentence number 4, Samiksha has 4 best friends. Sentence number 5, Abhinav says he has the most caring father in the world. Next use of have to refer to eating, drinking. Some sentences are given here. 1. I have this chocolate pastry every evening. Second, let me buy you a drink. What would you like to have? Sentence number 3. Why don't you stay and have lunch with us? Sentence 4. I am hungry. Let's have a dinner at that hamburger place. Sentence next. I had the best Italian cuisine at that restaurant. Next use of have is to show ownership. Some sentences are here. 1. He has 3 joggers and a Bentley. Example number 2. I haven't purchased that 3 BHK flat yet. Example number 3. That man in white has a pharmaceutical company. Sentence number 4. Sina has a lovely black colored sling bag. Sentence number 5. Of course, I have the diploma certificate with me. Next use of have is to refer to events, activities and experiences. Some examples are given here. 1. The house party that we had at Lonavala was worth remembering. Second, I will definitely have a bath in the Ganga river. Sentence number 3. I have an urgent client meeting this month. Sentence next. You have to be on time for Pia's birthday celebration this evening. Next sentence. She has a yoga class tomorrow morning. Next use of have to refer a physical condition. Some examples are here. 1. I have an upset stomach since 3 days. Sentence 2. People of this region have various health-related issues. Sentence number 3. Lawrence has a terrible headache, backache and stomachache. Sentence number 4. You are mistaken. I do not have fever. Sentence number next. He has an unusual physical appearance. Question number 2. Look up the following verbs in a good dictionary. List at least 20 different uses of each. You may include their use with different prepositions, adverbs or in idioms. First given here, go. Second, get. 3, put. 4, catch. 5th, pass. First one is go. Here are given some uses of go. Let's see what are they. 1. To walk, travel, move, etc. He is going across the field. B. To be sent, passed on, etc. Complaints have to go through the proper channels. 3. To be given, sold, etc. The prize goes to John Smith. 4. To lead to. Where does this road go? Sentence 5. To visit, to attend. I decided not to go to the movie. 6. To be destroyed. This wall will have to go. Next is to become. You are getting old. Next, to pursuit. I will try to get him to dance. Next one, to succeed or to happen to do something. I will soon get to know the neighbors. Next one, to catch. She got missiles last week. Next, to arrive. When did they get home? To catch. The police will definitely get the thief. Uses of put. 1. To place in certain position or situation. When did the Russian first put a man into space? 2. To submit or present. I put several questions to him. 3. To express in words. Children sometimes have such funny way of putting things. 4. To write down. I am trying to write a letter to her, but I don't know what to put. 5. To sail in a particular direction. The ship put into the harbors for repairs. 6. To attribute, assign, ascribe. She put the blame on me. Next one, to impose. The government put a tax on luxuries. Next, to make someone do something. Sushant put his dog through its tricks. Next one, to bring in or add, introduce, inject. Avinash is excellent in putting life to a party. Next one, to bring about effect. My father believes in putting a stop to cheating. Uses of catch. A. To stop and hold. Something which is moving. To capture. He caught the cricket ball. B. To be in time for or get on. I will have to catch the 9:45 train to London. C. To surprise. In the act of. I caught him stealing my vegetables. D. To become infected with. He caught flu. E. To cause or become accidentally stuck. The child caught her fingers in the car door. To hit. The punch caught him on the chin. Next, to manager to hear. Did you catch what she said? Uses of pass. A. To move towards and then beyond something. The principal passed through the corridor. B. To be given from one person to another. The defender passed the ball to the midfielder. C. To be beyond something. This passes my understanding. D. To overtake. The truck passed me at the dangerous turn on the road. E. To spend time. They passed several hours in the garden. F. To accept or approve. The government has passed a resolution. To announce. The judge passed a harsh judgment on the criminal. H. To end or to go away. His trouble soon passed. I. To be successful. I passed my driving test. J. To die or to expire. My uncle passed away last year. In this way, we have seen different uses of go, get, put, catch, and pass. Students, you have to write these all workshop questions in your notebook and read them very carefully. Thank you.